Here it is. This is the first time I've tried to install this on the Singer sewing machine. Treadle belt on a Singer sewing machine. This is the old one. Broken. Here's the instruction manual. Here's the instruction sheet that came with it. Warning, do not connect belts together before threading through treadle. Belt installation. Cut belt to desired length. Okay, so I'm going to unpack it. There's the belt. There are two felt pads. I'll figure out where those go a little later. And this thing. I think that thing goes there, but I'm not sure. This is the metal insert, so we're cutting on this end of the cable. Here. Okay. Thread treadle belt through treadle. Okay, so we'll try and get it here so we can cut it here. So I'll thread it through that way. Let's get rid of this old piece of crap. Goodbye. Right, so we'll thread it through here. Thread it through. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. This side here. And okay. Bad plan. I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try and go down through here. Yeah, I think this is a better idea to go down through here. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Ah, there's a little hole. Well, it goes down in there. There we go. There we go. And up through that hole. There we go. Right, okay. Up through that hole there. This is good. Okay. Now finally, through here, like that. Ah, there it is. How am I going to hold that? Okay, now I'm going to have to hold that somehow. How am I going to do that? Oh, here we go. That looks off a bit, so we'll just squish that in there, hold that in place, I think. There we go. Squish that in there to hold that in place. in there. There we go, I got it now, I can pull it through here. Okay, grab that in now. Great, so I think now, if you can hold both ends, there we go, this is fantastic. Okay, I got it. And now for the dramatic moment. These two ends now push together. Alright, get that back. Get those damn things in. Alright. Squish, squish, squish. Okay, let's see how it goes. Do a full resolution. There we go. So here's your bobbin. I'll stuck that in place. Like so. Thread the needle, we'll go around there, around the little tension thing. Through there. Now through there. And of course through the eye of the needle. There we go. So theoretically you should just be able to pull that up. So I think you're supposed to pull it towards you. There we go. Okay. There it's up. Yep, good. Okay. Okay. I think now we're finally ready to just do some sewing. Okay, let's sew something. Okay. A bit nervous here. Go on. Okay, the motion going. Down, back. Did it? Yep. Here we go. Here they down, and then you pull it when the needle's down. You pull that up. Then you pull